I don't know if you can see this form of beauty, to where it's a bunch of spider webs, homes, residents, and I don't see any violence amongst them. They're just sitting back and waiting for a bug to feed on. I look at this and I know this, and I know you know it's a fact too. Once the world is all dead and gone, it'll be spiders, rats, ants, and other creatures. What won't be here is us. So between now and then, what do you want to do? What do you want to be a part of? God's Children Lives Matter needs you. Homeless for Heaven needs you. Because at the end of the day of our lives, we got to rebuild one more time. So pray upon the souls that will be left in the kingdom. But pray for those that you want to go to heaven. Please come help and support God's Children Lives Matter and Homeless for Heaven. They'll be in every neighborhood around the world, because everybody deserves a chance to make it to heaven. Everybody deserves a chance to help build this new colony. So please, come give a contribution, even if it's just a ride around in Sacramento. But support Homeless for Heaven and God's Children Lives Matter at the GoFundMe account. In any way possible, can truly help for that 10% God requires. Amen and amen.